Hi, I'm Marc Verzatt. I've been working in theater for decades now. Come along with me on a journey. Let me take you through what I call from the page to the stage.
In this video, I want to talk about grounding your voice in your emotions. You do not have thoughts and feelings as the character and then you sing. You understand the character's thoughts and feelings and you want them understood by your audience. The only way you're going to get your audience to understand how you think and feel as the character is to use your voice to share those feelings.
Thank you so much for watching. If you think you've benefited from it, please hit like, share, or subscribe below, and particularly leave a comment. I'd be most welcome to get your feedback. Thank you.